What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the weird part of YouTube. Oh my god, lighting sucks. I'm gonna fix it. Just hold on a minute. Is this better? It's been a really long time. I'm gonna fix the lighting real soon. It's really bright outside, and I don't know why I'm wearing a hoodie because it's really hot, but I want to hide the fact that I'm wearing a mic with all these dangling wires. So that's why I'm wearing a hoodie. Anyways, as you must have noticed, I have new sheets. Yo! Alright, so today, as an adult, I'm gonna confess something. I don't know how to fold fitted sheets. In case you don't know what fitted sheet is, or you're from another part of the country where they just put the normal sheet and they don't like put another underskirt sort of a situation for your bed. Well, it's sort of like you get this pack in most countries here. You get this queen. My bed is a queen size, but I don't know. I'm doing a horrible job explaining. Anyways, usually beds come in like twin size, twin XL, queen and king, and they have two pillowcases. One bed sheet for on top of the bed, and another thing called fitted sheet, which is with elastic bands, and you kind of tuck your whole bed in it so that it looks neat, and then you put the bed sheet on top of that so it doesn't look weird or whatever. I don't know why they do that. It's very weird. And the other part is that I don't know how to fold it because it's elastic, it's kind of round, and then you have to put it, and then I just make it into a big poof ball, and then I just shove it in the wardrobe. That's what I do, and I confess, okay, I don't know how to fold fitted sheets. I do know how to fold most clothes, but except that, I don't know how to fold fitted sheets. So what I do, I don't wash fitted sheets, okay? I just wash the top of my bed sheet, put it in the dryer, so you put it in the washer and dryer, and that's it. Okay, call it a day, and I put it on top. Because what's on top of the bed matters, right? What's under the bed or on top of the bed, under the bed sheet, doesn't matter. Anyways, you get the point, right? So today I'm gonna attempt to fold a fitted sheet. I checked some YouTube tutorials, learning from the gurus of YouTube, but I'm low-key traumatized and scared. So I'm just gonna record it, and hopefully you learn something. Never buy fitted sheets. Actually, you don't have an option. Whatever. So this is my take one of folding fitted sheets. So let's head on to the video. So for this video, my dryer is still going on. I'm gonna shut it real quick. It's almost done. Alright, it's done. And I'm gonna open it. Oh, there you look. So I'm just trying to make it like really warm so that I can do a good job. So I'm just gonna take these and I'm gonna fold it up. Okay, so I bought these sheets from upstairs, from my dryer, and I'm gonna fold it. First, I'm gonna fold my pillowcases because those are easy, right? So anyways, this is the pillowcase, and I'm gonna invert them. Okay. Did the wrong job, and then I'm just gonna fold them. These are very easy, right? Or so I thought. So this is it. The design's on top, and they're cute. Okay, so just trying to frizz them out, and then gonna fold them in. So I folded it. This one's folded. So I'm gonna do that as well. Wait them out, and then fold them from side to side, and then like this. Okay, so we have two uniform pillowcases. They don't really. Okay, anyways, they're folded, right? This one's done. Again, the idea is to sort of replicate what you get from store, which is nicely folded and stuff. So I don't know how far I'm gonna succeed, but let's see. So anyways, this is the bed sheet, okay, with no elastic. It's a nice design. It's like nice and glittery. So this is a bed sheet, okay. I'm gonna do this in the end. Right now, it's gonna be the fitted sheet, which is this monstrosity. So see, you see the elastic part? Yeah. Ah. Yeah. In case you're wondering what tutorial I'm watching, it's this one. And she's really fast. I'll link down in the description of whatever tutorials I'm gonna do, so that you get an idea and I don't leave you in the dark. But I'm gonna do this one. I hope I got it. Okay, so the tutorial goes like this. It's to find the corners lengthwise, to find the... I obviously did a bad job. Okay, the step one is to identify the length of the thing. So obviously this part is too short. I can tell because it is. So I'm gonna find it lengthwise. So this is the corner. This is the corner. How do I know it's the corner? Because I get seams like this. Okay, that's how I know this is the corner part. Okay, so now she says to raise them up and flip it. Okay, that's the first flip. Okay, now let's see what the second step is. God, this is giving me anxiety. Then she said to put, so after flipping them like this, okay, I'm just gonna put it like this so that she has her hand inside. They don't show these, guys. This is so annoying. Alright. So then this is the flip part, okay? I low-key look like I'm from straight up from church. Ah, okay, anyway. Real seriousness aside, now put this in this. Okay. This is not looking good, guys. This is... Give up. I'm gonna try this again.
And so by folding it, you can double your storage space instantly. I have an example here. Here's unfolded, here's folded. The amount of time it takes to fold this sheet, you'd spend the exact same amount of time digging through your linen closet trying to find the right sheet when they're all wadded up and unfolded in there. To begin with, you hold the sheet lengthwise by both corners with the right side towards your body. Place corner number 1, fold it over corner number 2.
Okay, let's try that. So, lengthwise. Attempt 2, guys. Attempt 2. Okay. Fish. Lengthwise. Take this into the corner. I hope it's right. Okay. I'm like readjusting it. Wait, this doesn't look good. Wait. No, this is... Okay, I did this... Okay, anyways. This inside this... Wait, isn't that what she said?
To begin with, you hold the sheet lengthwise by both corners with the right side towards your body. Place corner number 1, fold it over corner number 2. Slide down this edge, pick up corner 3, tuck it in. Slide down this edge, pick up corner 4, tuck it in. Turn to this side, straighten these 2 edges, walk it to the table, fold and fluff this end, fold it in thirds, fold it in thirds again. If you have a king or a queen size, you might want to fold it in fourths, and you're finished. Like any new thing you learn, it might feel awkward at first. Don't worry, with a little bit of practice, you'll do just fine. For more practical tips and recipes, join
Take 3. I'm going to just look it up. I'm not giving up yet. So let's see.
Find your fitted sheet and put it inside out with your hands in the corners so the longest part, the lengthwise part of your sheet is facing you. Now grab those corners and flip them inside out and switch your hands again so that elastic is...
So I'm starting it inside out just like she mentioned. finding it lengthwise. Okay, and now she said to put the folded part in this part. Okay, so I got one part in.
Take that right hand and bring it over to your left hand so the two corners are touching each other. Now flip that right hand corner over the left hand corner so everything's on your left hand. Now bring your right hand under the sheet and swap hands with your left hand. So now your left hand is free. Hey friends, here's my left hand. With that hand, go digging for that last corner. So you're gonna have to kind of look for it, but it should show itself, and eventually you're gonna have your hands in both corners of the sheet again. Now here is where the elastic of your sheet looks like a U shape, and this is the part where you're gonna transfer the sheet onto your bed. You're gonna be able to see essentially the beginnings of four corners here, but you're gonna need to take a second to sort of create those corners, make them a little bit crisper. Once you've done that and you see that U shape, grab those corners and flip them inside out. And switch your hands again so that elastic is facing you like it was at the beginning. Now take that right hand and bring it over to your left hand so the two corners are touching each other. Now flip that right hand corner over the left hand corner so everything's on your left hand. Now bring your right hand under the sheet and swap hands with your left hand as at the beginning. Now take that right hand and bring it over to your left hand so the two corners are touching each other. Now flip that right hand corner over the left hand corner so everything's on your left hand. Now bring your right hand under the sheet and swap hands with your left hand. So now your left hand is free. Hey friends, here's my left hand. With that hand, go digging for that last corner. So you're gonna have to kind of look for it, but it should show itself, and eventually you're gonna have your hands in both corners of the sheet again. Now here is where the elastic of your sheet looks like a U shape, and this is the part where you're gonna transfer the sheet onto your bed. You're going to be able to see essentially the beginnings of four corners here, but you're going to need to take a second to sort of create those corners, make them a little bit crisper. Once you've done that and you see that U shape with the elastic, go ahead and pull the top of the sheet down into thirds so it creates a long rectangle essentially. Flip the whole thing over and then fold again in thirds so it turns into a nice, beautiful, rectangular fitted sheet. All right, you did it. You folded a fitted sheet. Now, it may have taken you a couple times to watch the video. You may have paused, but you know what? That's okay. We all pause. That's how we learn how to fold a fitted sheet. I want you to comment below and tell me how many times you had to watch it before you got it. But
I laid it down. I gave up in the end. I know it doesn't look anything like this, but the objective is to fold it, right? If it's inside out or the other way, who cares, right? So I'm just gonna put this and just gonna bring this part this way. I'm super tired at this point. I'm like literally sweating. Ta-da! Doesn't look neat, but whatever, right? Okay, now to cover up my mistake, I have folded the normal bed sheet, so I'll just do that one as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold this part, the actual bed sheet, which is easy to fold. In case you don't know how to fold this one, this is like child's play compared to the fitted sheet. So you just find the corners, whichever one way, lengthwise, widthwise, you do you, man. Just don't do it diagonally. I think I'm gonna try it diagonally. I think it would come out really weird, but whatever. The idea is to fold, right? No judging. And in case people say, oh, why is your fitted sheet looking weird? Why haven't you folded them correctly? Just change your friends. Just tell them, screw you. Okay, don't say that, but or ask them to fold your fitted sheet in case it bothers them. Alright, so I'm just gonna fold this up. This is my bed sheet set. Obviously this is not what you get when you open a newly minted box, because this looks very messy, but hey, at least you tried, right? So If you like this video, do hit the like button. If you enjoyed watching my struggle, do hit the like button. If you want to watch more videos like that, do hit the like button and the subscribe button. And that is all, y'all. Bye.